friends, good afternoon to everyone. We are just going to continue our story, and we have already some introduction about the author, his birth of time, his life history, his famous work. We have already some read all about this that he was an Irish writer born in Dublin 1854. His main writings, he supported the aesthetic movement, arts for art's sake, and his famous writings, the importance of being honest, the picture of Dorian Gray, the profoundness, etc. We have already read, and we have also some introduction about the story also, that what's is the story about. It is about a young fellow who had tried his hand in many business but not got success. For example, as a tea merchant, in stock marketing also, but he was not successful in every business, and he is a young charming fellow. And the thing get worse when we comes to know that he is in love with a rich lady, daughter of a retired colonel, Laura Martin, and his father is not ready to engage her daughter with him because he doesn't have any money. So the story is running at a scene in the last video that Al Hughie Eskin, who is the protagonist of the story, enters in his friend's Alan Trevor's studio. Alan Trevor is the painter who is drawing a painting, and uh, from his canvas, at some distance, a beggar is standing in a particular pose. And when Hughie Eskin look at Hughie Eskin look at this beggar, he feels some sympathy for him and wants to do something for him, and started to talk about his share in this painting. So the talking were running at the point that Yugi asked that how much money get this beggar for this painting, and Alan Travel replied that just 1 shilling for an hour. So now, well, I think the model should have some percentage, cried Hughie, laughing. Hughie put his put in the favor of beggar that Hughie should also have in some percentage in your painting. Means you got 2000 guineas for a single picture, and you pay just 1 shilling to a beggar for a long time, and or it's not good. Hughie said that you should have this beggar should have some percentage in your profit. Means this beggar should get some amount in the picture. Means he should have some percentage in 2000 guineas which you are going to take from a customer for this picture. Hughie, laughing. They work quite as hard as you do. Means they also do. They work hard. Means standing in a single pose for a long time. It's not a easy task. So they also do hard work as you do. So he should have also some good percentage in the real value, real cost of the picture. Nonsense, nonsense. Alan Travel replies. Don't talk funny. Means it cannot be possible. Look at the trouble of lying on the paint alone and standing all day long at one's easel. Means to draw a painting as it is, means a real uh, to draw a real painting is not an easy task, and it's more difficult than to stay in a pose. So the painter should have more big share in this real cost of picture. Nonsense, nonsense. Why? Why should I have some percentage with I should share is my profit with this beggar? Look at the trouble of lying on the painting alone. Means look at this painting. To draw a real painting, to draw a real sketch is more difficult. And standing all day long as once is still. It's all very well, Yugi, for you to talk. Means all these things seems good only in talks. Means to show or to feel some pity for others, to have some sympathy for others, it is good only in talks, but in reality there are things which goes different. It's all very different, Yugi, for you to talk, but I assure you that there are moments which, when all art almost attain the dignity of manual labor. Means, but Alan Travel is replied to his friend Hughie Askin that you don't worry, this beggar will have his uh, sufficient amount, and when a time will come when the labor of a painter will also have some value. I assure you that there are moments when art almost attains the dignity of manual labor, but you must chatter. But now Hughie is just Alan Travel is just instructing his friend that Hughie, now please got silent and let me do my job, do my work. Let me draw this sketch um, so perfectly that it should uh, seem as real picture. So, but you must not chatter. Now you will have to quiet. I'm very busy. Smoke a cigarette and keep quiet. Means you go and sit on your seat and look my painting and look at the pose of this beggar. So this is a video. I have already told you that if you have text or don't have, then arrange and read the story at first so that you will understand better this video. In this video will help to understand the character of Hughie and Alan. So my advice first is that you should read the content first. Okay, thank you for watching.